Hi, and welcome to Life Unboxed with me. I'm Laine, and Life Unboxed is a channel where I will be unboxing all kinds of different subscription boxes. And today we are unboxing the SinglesSwag Love Yourself box. So this is a new box that I found out about, and because I'm a single girl, I thought that it would be really cool to try it out. So anyway, without further ado, let me grab my scissors here. I hope y'all are doing amazing today. It's actually evening for me right now. I just got home from a very long day of work. So whatever is in our box that I might be able to pamper myself with will be amazing. So anyway, this is what it looks like, whoops, when you open it up. It has this nice little card on top, which tells us about everything that's in it, and then everything is wrapped up in this nice little tissue paper. So let me see what we've got here. Alright, so, oh fun! The very first thing we have is a bag of popcorn. Too cool. So this is Oogie's Gourmet Popcorn Original Kettle Corn. It's non-GMO, of course, and it's in this really cool package. So I've never gotten a snack in a box before, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, what does it say? Oh, no, that's the wrong thing. I thought it said it was $15, and I was like, $15 for a bag of popcorn? What? Where's my popcorn? Okay, so this is worth $3. It says it only has all natural ingredients, and of course the perfect balance of salty and sweet. I love kettle corn. So this will be a nice little snack for me when I'm done with the video. So I'm excited about that. Alright, so next I see, ooh, this is exciting. This is a Laine beauty blender, and I love the color of it. Let me go ahead and open it up. It says Pro Blender, multiple tips for an airbrushed finish. So that is awesome. And who doesn't need another beauty blender, right? Okay, cool. I like that. So it's kind of this little shape here, which has the nice you know, smooth bottom, perfect for blending and stuff, but it's also got the nice little tip that's great for, you know, getting into little spots like that. So, and I love that color. This is my very favorite color. So I'm excited about that. Let's see, this is, let's see, Laine Pro Blender Sponge. It says this retails for $12, and it's non-latex. And of course wet it and then squeeze out any excess water. So awesome. I love beauty blenders, and of course I love this color, so yay. Okay, so next thing, ooh, this looks awesome. So this is the Lauren B, let me try and, ooh, let's bring it back a little bit. It's hard to see with my light here, but it is the Lauren B Beauty Nail Growth Serum, and it's in this beautiful box. I don't know if you can, there we go. You can see the gold foil on the sides, little leaves, which my nails grow really fast anyway, but I use a lot of hand sanitizer at work. I'm an x-ray tech, and it definitely does, you know, make my nails brittle and dry. So it says salvation for fragile, brittle nails that refuse to grow. So they grow, but you know, they're just thin. So awesome. And it says to you can put it on bare nails once or twice a day, or you can put it on before you apply polish. So I'm really excited to try this out. Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be like a you know, nail polish bottle, but it's in this little tube, and it's got this little teeny tiny little brush here, so that's easy. Very cool. So this retails for $75. What? That's crazy. It says it has amino acids, antioxidants, vitamin E and C, peptides, and biotin to instantly boost nail growth and strength. So, interesting. It says this is a favorite product of the SinglesSwag team. So I'm really interested to try this out and see how it works. If I remember, I will let y'all know what I think about it. Okay. Alright, so next in here, is the, I don't know how to say this, LXMI Pure Melodica Melt. So this is a nourishing balm to oil. So I guess it's like a lotion. Squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. So it's a facial lotion. That is awesome. Let me see what it smells like. I love you know, stuff that smells really good, right? Now it's sealed up. So this is $28. This bottle is here. Ooh, it's really, really thick. I can't really smell it. It looks almost like a, you see how thick that is right there? It looks almost like a, it's a balm. And it has a very, very light scent to it. It's not a very strong scent. Just a fresh, light scent is really all I can explain it as. Cool. Well, I can't wait to try this out. That's awesome. Okay, so next, moving along. This looks like a necklace. It says Kivia on the bag, and it's a pretty beautiful gold print there with like poppies and butterflies on it. Cool. Ooh, I like this. So it's a little circle necklace. You take it out and see. So it looks like it's a two-tone necklace. Yeah. Take it off the card here. The chain is like a dark silver, like a burnished silver, and then the circle is a gold color. Well, not super gold, maybe a little bronzy, and then it's nice and long though. I like that. And then it has an adjustable thing. That's really simple. I really, really, really like that. I like simple jewelry. It's definitely my favorite. So so that's the Kivia necklace. Let's see what this retails for. This is $75. Make a statement with the stylish symbolic necklace with a large circle pendant charm representing eternal love. Wear the necklace alone or layer it with your favorite pieces. And then it's got a coupon code in it. So that's really cool. All right, I like that. And I love different, you know, jewelry that you can layer like that. And I also like that it's mixed metal. I used to be afraid to mix, you know, gold and silver and stuff like that. And it's nice to have it all in one piece because then I know I can wear whatever. All right, so next I have some Mana Kadar bath bombs. It's a set of 3. And I don't know if it, oh, these smell good. I'm not sure if I can place it. It's definitely a floral scent. I feel like it smells a little rosy, but I'm not 100% positive. So these retail for $15, and it says it combines the relaxation of aromatherapy with rich, ultra cleansing, soothing ingredients. So I'm not a big bath person. I really don't enjoy taking baths because I want the water to cover me like up to my neck, like I'm in a hot tub, and I just get frustrated that, you know, it won't do that. So I will probably either gift these or maybe I can start a little basket for a giveaway for y'all. So anyway, somebody else will definitely enjoy these because bath bombs are awesome. It's just baths aren't my thing. All right, so we just have 2 more items in here. Next is Skin Chemist's London Rose Quartz Youth Defiance Lip Plump. Very cool. It says rose quartz, and it says it has peppermint oil, which aims to make the lips look plumper and smoother. Smooth evenly over lips as needed. May be used under lipstick or alone. Cool. So thankfully I've been blessed with nice thick lips, so I really don't need them plumped so much, but they could always be a little bit smoother. So let's give this a try. It's a pretty little kind of orchid color with a nice little doe foot. Just gonna use the monitor here. It's not very cool when I'm putting it on. I don't usually wear like lipstick or anything. I think because my lips are so thick, you know, it attracts attention to them, of course, and you know, when I was younger I did not want attention on myself, so oh, I like that. So I got used to not wearing lipstick, and so anyway, most days I don't wear it, but this is nice. I can feel the peppermint. It's definitely kind of tingly, and it has a nice feel to it. It's not sticky. It's not oily. It's hard to explain. It feels like a lip gloss, I guess. So I don't know, maybe y'all can tell me if my lips look any more plump in another minute or two. But I mean, it feels nice. I like it. So that one retails for $32. So it says visibly improve the shape, texture, and volume of your lips with this all-in-one product, combining the benefits of lip gloss and lip balm with an active pumping effect. Doesn't say plumping, it says pumping effect for hydrated lips and a fuller pout. My lips definitely could use some hydration. I'm constantly dehydrated. It says it's antioxidant rich vitamin E, will fight inflammation and protect skin from damaging UV rays and free radicals. So I like that. I like that it will definitely protect from UV rays, because anytime I get a lot of sun, my lips always get burnt because I always forget to get some lip balm that has a sunscreen protectant in it. So the very last thing that I have in the box here, it looks like it's a bonus item, and it is a 12 pack of Yogitos Manduka Yogitos 12 pack of headbands. It says give your noggin some love with these stylish moisture wicking organic cotton headbands. Very cool. Alright, so I want to open these up. I always need stuff to hold my hair back, like when I'm brushing my teeth and doing my skincare and stuff, and so these will be perfect for that. Also with my curly girl routine I do, oh, they're all nice, you know, different. Oh, cool. Some of them are kind of tie-dye-ish, but I need stuff to, you know, help hold my towel on my head or my hair back while I'm sleeping, stuff like that. So I'm not gonna put it up now because I'm actually having a really good hair day today, and but it's just one thin little layer, which is nice, and it's nice and thick. It's got the tag on there, and very, very stretchy, and I really like these. I'm excited about that. Very cool. So the total retail value of this box is $268, it says. Off the top of my head, I cannot remember how much I paid for this box. I'll add it below, but this is a monthly box, and so if you look at their Instagram feed, I love it. That's the thing that attracted me to SinglesSwag, is that they are full of great quotes, you know, aimed towards single girls, but they're all very positive, and I really, and funny as well. A lot of them are very funny, and so I really like that about them. I'm all about body positivity and loving yourself and stuff like that. So and then at the bottom it says love yourself first, and then over here it says never settle, and it says don't spend a minute with anyone that does not make you feel amazing. And I've spent way too much time with people that don't make me feel that way. So So I'm very, very excited about this box. I cannot wait to see what I get next month. So anyway, I hope you loved this unboxing. If you did, and you want to see more of what I have to offer in the future, please hit the subscribe button, and I would love it if you would just give this video a little like, and just know that you are beautiful and amazing inside and out, and I will see y'all next time. Have a great day. Bye.